Wow, this is the paradise on earth, you see. Very quiet. And this is the Bay Area. You see this ferry is standing here. And if you see the marina office, and also I show you where I am now. The you see how much this Iceland, just see from yourself. It's like Seattle, USA here, and then you have all Iceland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the Victoria. So now I show you where I am now. This is the Sydney, and this is the Citrine Island, and this is the here I am. You see here, you are here. So I came from Crafton, then this is the area, Salt Spring Iceland. I am here now. So if you want to go here, you have to take ferry from here. Then you have this all Iceland, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is the United States, this border, Canada and United States. This Point Roberts, you see all this is. So if you see, this is all border for the United States. And I am here, it's very near by all. So this is the huge, if you see, it's a huge, really, a very detailed map. So it is like boat guide. See huge beauty of this area. Wow, amazing.